frame.
That's the frame.
They're all the same colors.
What's that? Well, yeah, that's from Germany. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the Germans called it. Yeah.
So, we got a job ahead of us tomorrow to keep.
You're still here.
We got a job ahead of us to get this thing turned down the street tomorrow. We have to keep them to the right. As we keep them to the right. Remember, it's a 4-lane road.
Yeah, but still.
But no, once he gets through there, he can make it in the center. And then when he gets up, he'll have to take a, but we measured it, it can fit, but we got to make sure he stays, as he's getting down past that last block, to the right before you go towards the railroad tracks, and hit that road perfect on.
That's perfect, yeah, because that's a...
I'm going
street gets all right,
I'm
man.
there.
See you, bro. We'll see you. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow night.
Well, yeah.
Hey, we're always doing something these days. I got to keep you active.
I got nothing.
I got nothing.